Siddharth and Emma. Kindly raise your hand. There's a lady there on the third row. Can we pass her a mic, please? There.
Hi Siddharth, this is Shayanti here. This is a very different association. So congratulations, and I would also want to know, what does traveling mean for you, and what are some of your favorite destinations? Is Taiwan also one of them?
Hello? Yeah, it is. I think it's, I'm on stage for not launching my film after a while. So that is interesting. And it's exciting. I think the products that they have here are very innovative and practical. And I think, as I said before, we are not aware of where these are made. So it's great to be here just to bring out awareness. That just like how we promote our films, I think it's promoting and bringing out awareness. And yeah, traveling for me is very exciting. I think I get bored staying in one place at a time. I would like to keep traveling if my schedule allows me. I was recently in the US traveling and taking a break. Places like New York and other cities. I have never been to Taiwan, and we were just discussing, it'll be interesting to go and ride their bicycle there because they're very bicycle friendly. So I'll have my cardio done if I stay there for 2 days. And it'll be exciting, yeah, so let's see, hopefully our association goes there and I get to travel there.
Any other destination you want to add to this? Which you like? You said US and Taiwan you want to go. Any other destination, maybe back home in India?
Oh, in India, yes. There's so many places I've not seen in India. I have not, as a kid, I used to go up in the mountains from Delhi. We used to drive around. I think Dharamshala or even Kasauli and places like that. I would like to go there and take out time if my schedule allows me to. I think down south, I have not gone and explored down south, be it Kerala, which have great things. So I think there's so much for us to travel in India as well. So hopefully, if my schedule allows me to, next time I'll tell you where I've gone.
Thank you.
Move on to our next question.
This side.
The gentleman here in the
100 crore, एक villain, complete हो गया. क्या कहेंगे?
आज मैं एक ताइवानीज फिल्म के लिए नहीं, इनके लिए आया वहाँ पे, तो I think we'll keep the questions to them and this event.
लेकिन अभी अचीव हुआ है 100 करोड़, इस वजह से ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा इम्पोर्टेंट था कि इस साल की सिर्फ 4 फिल्में ही हैं जिसमें चौथी फिल्म एक विलन हो गई है.
काफ़ी अच्छी बात है, काफ़ी खुशी की बात है, वो काफ़ी एक्साइटिंग है. हर किसी को जब ज़्यादा नंबर्स मिलते हैं तो लगता है कि लोगों ने देखी है ज़्यादा पिक्चरें और ज़्यादा ऑडियंस को देखने को मिलती है, इतनी रीच मिलती है. तो आई थिंक अच्छी बात है, काफ़ी खुशी की बात है. हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं जैसे ऑफिशियल हो जाए और वी विल सेलिब्रेट एंड काफ़ी एक्साइटेड है बालाजी, पूरी टीम. तो आई थिंक इट्स अ ग्रेट अचीवमेंट एंड सेंस ऑफ हैप्पीनेस. बट अगेन ये जगह सही नहीं. आई थिंक वी आर हियर फॉर सम अदर रीज़न. अगर ताइवानी से पिक्चर की बात कर रहे हो तो हम करते. तो आज के लिए
Moving on to our next question.
सिद्धार्थ, अभी थोड़े दिनों पहले ही सलमान खान ने आपको वॉच गिफ्ट की थी. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे गैजेट्स हैं आपके पास. आप क्या रिटर्न गिफ्ट करना चाहते हैं उन्हें?
क्या रिटर्न उनको?
हाँ.
ये बाइक मुझे बहुत कूल लगी उनके लिए. मेरे को खुद पता है उनको बाइकिंग का बहुत शौक है, बाइसाइकिल चलाने का. वो मेरे घर बाइक पे आना चाहते थे पहले, फिर उनके लिए बतौर मेरे को बाद में पता चला कि गाड़ी गई थी. तो आई थिंक ही वुड लव दिस पोर्टेबल बाइक. ही इज अ फिटनेस फ्रीक just like me, and इनके बाकी equipments भी हैं, which be it dumbbells or this bike which you could use at home. So I'm sure I can find some cool gadget for him to give him back.